is Anagung Kawardani, NPM 2441116, class MNJ 24C. Here I will explain the material about tax aspect in business activities. Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Anagung Kawardani and I am going to present a topic that every business person should understand. Tax aspect in business activities. Why is this topic so important? Because taxes are not only about paying money to the government. They are about how our business participate in building a stronger economy. When we understand taxes properly, we can run our business more responsibly, avoid legal issues, and even take advantage of benefit that come with tax complaints. Throughout this presentation, we'll discuss what taxes are, their purpose, types, obligation, and how they influence business operation. By the end of the season, I hope all of you can appreciate tax as something positive, not a burden but a foundation for sustainable business growth. Introduction to tax. Let's begin by understanding what a tax really is. A tax is a mandatory financial contribution imposed by the government on individuals and companies. The money collected from taxes is used for public purposes. Things like school, hospital, infrastructure, and public security. Without taxes, the government simply couldn't function. For business, taxes is not just a rule, it's part of being a responsible corporate citizen. When a business pays taxes, it contributes to the development of society. In return, it benefits from better infrastructure, education system, and public facilities that support daily operation. So, when we pay tax, we are not just giving money away, we are helping build the economy that allows our business to survive and grow. The function of tax. Tax plays several crucial roles in a country economy. The first is the budgetary function. Taxes are the main source of government income. The funds collected are used to finance public expenses such as education, health service, and infrastructure projects like roads and bridges. Second, the regulatory function. Through tax policy, the government can influence business activities. For example, giving tax incentive to encourage investment or imposing higher taxes to reduce pollution and control import. And three, the redistributive function. This ensures that wealth is shared more fairly among cheaters, high-income earners, and profitable companies contribute more, while the government provides subsidies or assistance to lower-income groups. In short, taxes help the government manage the economy, regulate business behavior, and promote equality in society. Types of taxes in business. Business are subject to various types of taxes. The first one is income tax, or pajak penghasilan (PPh) in Indonesia. This tax is imposed on profit earned by the company. For example, if your business earn in 100,000 million in profit, a percent of the amount must be paid as income tax. The second is value added tax VAT, known as PPN. This tax applies the sale of goods or service business as a collectors. They add VAT to the price of product and later submit into the government. Finally, there are regional or local taxes which are collected by local government. Examples include advertisement tax, parking tax, and property tax. Understanding each of the types help business owner plan the finances correctly, avoidable taxation, and stay compliant with regulation. Tax obligation for business. Every business, no matter how small, has legal obligation. The first step is registering for a tax identification number (NPWP). This number identifies your business in the tax system and allows you to submit the report. The second obligation is to keep accurate financial records. Every income and expense must be recorded because this data will be used to calculate your taxable income. Third, business must submit regular tax report, usually monthly and annually, and pay tax on time. Failing to meet their responsibilities can lead to administrative penalization or audit. On the other hand, being compliant so the business is transparent and professional, which increases trust from bank, investor, and even customer. Benefit of paying tax for business. Many entrepreneurs see tax as a heavy burden, but there are real benefits to being tax compliant. First, paying tax enhances your business credibility. Is how that your company operates legally and transparently, which attracts clients and investors. Second, only tax-compliant business can join government tenders or corporate partnership. These opportunities can open the door to large contract and growth. 3. Tax help the government build and maintain infrastructure, such as road, energy network, and communication system, all of which make it easier for business to operate efficiently. So instead of viewing taxes as a cost, we should see as long-term investment is a stable and supportive business environment. Consequences of ignoring tax obligation. Ignoring tax responsibilities can lead to serious problems. When a company fails to report or pay taxes, it can face interest charges or even criminal penalties. Beyond legal punishment, tax negligence damages a company's reputation. Investor, bank, and parties often check tax compliance before doing business. A bad tax record can result in losing business opportunities or being denied credit. Additionally, government permits and licenses can be difficult to obtain if your tax status is not clear. In the end, avoiding taxes may bring short-term relief but creates long-term risks that could destroy the company's future. Tax planning in business. To handle tax wisely, business should perform tax planning. The planning is a legal and strategic way to minimize tax liabilities by using all the factors and invest allowed by law. For example, a company can plan in expenses, use depreciation properly, or invest in government-approved programs that provide tax deduction. This is completely different from tax evasion, which is illegal through effective tax planning. Business can manage their cash flow better, avoid sudden financial pressure, and increase overall profitability. It's about being smart, compliant, and financially efficient at the same time. The role of tax professionals. Managing tax can become complicated as a business grows. That's why many companies rely on tax professionals such as accountants or consultants. These professionals help calculate taxes accurately, prepare and submit reports on time, and ensure compliance with laws and update in tax policy. They also give strategic advice, for example, how to structure business transaction or manage payroll in the most tax efficiency way. Having expert support saves time, reduce error, and protect the business from unnecessary penalties. In short, tax professionals are like navigators who guide companies safely through the complex world of taxation. Consolation. To wrap up, we'll be learning that taxes are not just obligations, they are essential elements of a country's economic system and business responsibility. Taxes system and business responsibility. Taxes fund the infrastructure, education, and public service that allow you to do business in the first place. For business, paying taxes builds legal certainty, trust, and credibility, while also opening opportunities for growth and participation. By understanding how tax work and practicing good tax planning, we can manage our business more effectively and sustainably. Thank you for attention and see you next time. Bye bye guys.